I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you see my face for the first time, hello babe, hello my love. My name is Yolanda Mkala. Please do check me out on all my social media platforms. And if you're a returning subscriber, hello Standa Sam. Thank you so much for your continuous support. I'm at the bathroom, by the way. I just did my face. So today I felt like, spoiling myself, and I was like, Sana, there's this bag that I've always wanted. It's a shoulder bag. I really want that bag, so I want to quickly go and check it out at Access Park. These days I really don't want to talk too much, but I'm in Access Park. Bye.
Can you tell me close? You look like you came to do one thing. I started on the left, then I had to take him to the right. He was out of breath, but he kept on blessing all right. Try and admit that you just can't fight the feeling inside. You know it, and I can see it in your eyes. You and me, you're smooth as a mother. You're so undercover by the way that you was watching me. The way you look at me, I'm feeling you. I just can't help but try to keep it cool. I can feel it in the beat. When you do those things to me, don't let nothing stop you. Leave me alone. The club is jumping down. Sierra's on your radio. Everybody turn it up. Spicy just like hot sauce. Cure for you, like burn it up. You can do the pop, break down, don't stop. That's the way you gotta get and make your body rock. Try and admit that you just can't fight the feeling inside.
I'm back. Yeah. Hey bo, hey bo, hey bo, Joe Borkett, hey bo. That is us. That is us, guys. What? Sure, I'm obsessed with the bag, yes, and so boo 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 boo. Hey now, how stunning, how stunning. So the color is burgundy, by the way. What do you even mean, Joe Borkett? What do you even mean? This bag is not pricey. It's not pricey. It's not pricey at all. And that's the price. That's the price. Price it was only $8.99. That's how it looks inside. What's this? Okay, that's how it looks inside. It has this compartment. There's one compartment. Sure, I love it so much, guys. I'm obsessed. What? That's how it looks. That's how it looks. I hope I'm close enough so you guys can see the quality, baby. The quality. Yo, so stunning. Sana. So it's meant to be like this. You can carry it like this as a shoulder bag, or you can always if I get this thing, the strap, like this, or you can carry it like this, like a clutch bag, so yeah guys, that's about it. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.
forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic, and we turn that back together. I'm here 'cause it's time. Hold you for life. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, hold you for life. So tight, coming closer.
I want to show you where we're going. See that house over there? See that house over there? Yeah, that's where we're going. That's where we're going. Amazing. The weather is good.
I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body.
So I'm gonna have the real green one, and my son is gonna have the mango one.
Thank you.
Oh. I just went to Nando's and I got myself a quarter chicken with the salad, and yeah, trying to eat healthy, guys. I'm trying by all means, sana. So this is what I'm gonna eat now, and yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. Hope you guys are still enjoying this vlog, and I'm so sorry to start this day here while driving. I'm late. Guys, I'm late. So I'm off to Cape Point Vineyards in Norwood for wine tasting. So it's gonna be wine and oysters. So it is a Saturday, and I just thought, you know what, let me go and check this place out. I left my place at 2 o'clock and my booking is for 2 o'clock. So igirl engalibambiyo ixesha endim sana. Igirl engalibambiyo ixesha endim, but yeah, that is us. Let's do that. I'll catch you guys when we get there, if we do get time. So for now, I'm just trying to drive and get there as early as possible because Sandy late already. So yeah, masambeni.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
you My newbies look like Charlie.
So I've just arrived at Cape Point Vineyards, and yeah, I can't wait to indulge with sushi. I'm really hoping that it is what I saw on the internet. It looks exactly like lento bendibona ku internet, because I don't want to get disappointed, you know. I don't want to be disappointed. So yeah, I'm very late. I'm late. It is now 2:30 and the booking is for 2 o'clock. But sana bazo understand, because it was raining, as you guys saw. Bazo understand our way too, and it's only 30 minutes. It's not too bad. Hope it's not too full. And yeah, asambeni.
walk away now. We about to turn this place.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. With time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? My body says my body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I'm still checking with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says
Guys, we are done and we're about to leave. Oh, Sana, Lindawo, stunning. It's a 10 out of 10. It's a 10 out of 10. What? By the way, the top is from the Fix. The pants are from Zara, and the slides, I'm not sure if you can see, but yeah, they're from Woolworths. You guys know the hair from the last vlog. Yeah. Guys, what a spectacular place. What? Cape Point Vineyards. Cape Point Vineyards. If I catch you. Yo, guys, I am so impressed. I don't want to lie. I'm so impressed. The place is a 10 out of 10. A 10 out of 10. Love it. The views, spectacular. Aesthetically pleasing. The food. I ended up having sushi. Guys, it was out of this world. Sana. Guys, as you guys saw the clips that I took, as you guys saw, I can't fault this place. I can't fault it. The wines, sure, they're so smooth. Sana, sure, it's a 10 out of 10. Please do come here if you're in Cape Town. If you go vacation, Cape Point Vineyards, it's where it's at, baby. Please do come. So the oyster and wine pairing that I did was 3 wines and 3 oysters for 240. So it was Sauvignon Blanc, Chardonnay, and Merlot. So it was those 3, and then you pair it with the oysters. And the sushi was 80 rands, very affordable. The sushi menu was very affordable. I think I saw each sushi is 65 rands even, and it was 8 pieces. This place was recommended by my colleague. Sana, she did not lie. Yeva, she did not lie. And to think that this was recommended to me in 2023 already. And I was like, it's fine. I'll go. I don't know why I took forever to come here. Because what? Sure. No, my colleague did not lie, shame. She did not lie. She was like, Yolanda, I see you like wine farms. Can you please go to Cape Point Vineyards? I'm sure you'll enjoy it. It's beautiful, guys. I'm not lying. I feel like a camera is not even doing justice to this place. You need to come here and see it. Yeah. Guys, I forgot to mention on my previous vlog, we've reached 500 subscribers. Boo, 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 boo. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And I'm going to drop another vlog very soon. So you better stick around, baby. Bye.